How to fix Roblox white screen error, 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you have launched Roblox and instead of your game loading, you are just staring at a completely blank white screen. Super frustrating, but the good news is this is one of the most fixable errors in Roblox. Let me walk you through every solution right now. Let's get into it. What causes the white screen? The Roblox white screen usually happens because of a weird glitch in the game's cache, an outdated graphics driver, or a settings conflict that came out of nowhere. It is like the game is teasing you. The window opens, but nothing loads inside it. The good news is it is rarely a serious hardware problem and almost always fixable with a few quick steps. Fix 1. Restart and refresh. Always start with the simplest fix first. Close Roblox completely, open Task Manager, and any Roblox processes still running in the background and relaunch the game fresh. A simple restart resolves the white screen for a surprising number of players, so always try this before anything else. Fix 2. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of the Roblox white screen error. If your GPU drivers have not been updated recently, they may be conflicting with Roblox's renderer. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download the latest driver for your card, install it, and restart your PC before launching Roblox again. Fix 3. Clear Roblox cache and temp files. Clearing the Roblox cache and temp files is one of the most effective fixes for the white screen error. Press Windows key and R, type %temp% and hit enter. Look for any Roblox folders inside and delete them. Then press Windows key and R again, type %local app data%, find the Roblox folder and clear its contents. Restart Roblox after clearing everything out. Fix 4. Enable Windows Game Optimization. This is a fix that works specifically on Windows. Go to Settings, then System, then Display, then Graphics, then Default Graphics Settings, and turn on Optimization for Windows games. This simple toggle resolves the white screen for many Windows users and takes about 30 seconds to do. Fix 5. Disable third-party overlays. Third-party overlays from apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, or Steam can conflict with Roblox and cause the white screen to appear. Go through any overlay apps you have running and temporarily disable them before launching Roblox. Discord overlay is one of the most common culprits, so start there. Go to Discord settings, overlay, and turn it off. Fix 6. Check browser extensions. If you are launching Roblox through a browser, certain browser extensions can block Roblox from loading properly, causing the white screen. Temporarily disable all extensions, especially ad blockers and script blockers. Then try launching the game again through the browser to see if the white screen disappears. Fix 7. Reinstall Roblox cleanly. If nothing else has worked, a clean reinstall is your best move. Uninstall Roblox through Windows settings, then press Windows key and R, type %local app data%, and delete the entire Roblox folder manually. Restart your PC and reinstall Roblox fresh from Roblox.com. A clean reinstall eliminates any corrupted files that basic troubleshooting steps cannot reach. And those are all the fixes for the Roblox white screen error in 2026. Restart first, update your graphics drivers, clear the cache, enable Windows Game Optimization, disable overlays and extensions, and reinstall cleanly if needed. Work through those and you will be back in the game fast. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.